Hey there, Saber friends, SpaceWindu here. I've got a very special lightsaber to show you. This one is for Chuck. It's got a crystal focus 10 in it. It's got a tri-star pixel blade that I made. It's got 2 lit buttons, an auxiliary and a power button, bass speaker, and it's got a 1.3 millimeter recharge port. The other nice thing about this saber is that it's got a 21700 capacity lithium ion 3.7 volt battery, which is going to power this 27-inch TriStar for a really long time. There are over 300 LEDs inside this TriStar blade, very efficient LEDs, so it's going to be able to run on this really high capacity battery for like a really long time. I'm thinking probably like 2 hours or more of just steady runtime, probably like 3 hours. So this is a really good battery inside here, and it's also, like I said, has the TriStar blade with really efficient LEDs, so it's gonna last a long time. The 3-watt bass speaker sounds really good. Let's take a good look at how the blade looks as well, and I'll demonstrate some of the sound fonts that are on this lightsaber. And it's got the Plecter Labs Crystal Focus 10 inside, so it's got the best of the best. Let's take a look.
Skywalker, there are too many of them. What are we going to do? SuperThanks selection.
Master Windu, take a seat.
So Chuck, when you and your daughter get the Saber, it's probably going to be in sleep mode like it is right here. After about 5 minutes of inactivity, it's going to go into sleep mode. And what you can do is you can just like...
I foresee you will become a great Jedi Knight.
Press one of the buttons there and you will have full power. When you want to go to charge the Saber, just unscrew. It unscrews right here in the middle. And you just want to turn the bottom bit here. And unscrew this part completely. And you will see you have access to the board. I do have some electrostatic resistant tape on the board there, speakers on the bottom. And if you look right there, you will see your 1.3 millimeter recharge port. So make sure your charger is either one of the sensing chargers from the Custom Saber Shop where it senses the battery and knows how many volts, or if you are using a different type of charger, just make sure it's a 3.7 for lithium-ion batteries. When you go to screw this back on, don't tighten it too much, because the way the Saber is made, this thread right here, it's like a thread piece that goes connecting the entire Saber together. If you tighten this too much, then I'm worried about when you go to unscrew it again, it could like kind of unscrew the top bit as well. So just when you screw this part on, just like, finger tight, as they say. It doesn't have to be too tight, just so that we don't disturb what's going on up here with that coupler that is like a threaded coupler there. When you want to go to use the Saber, the top button is your power button, your activation button, and the second button here is your special effects or getting into the menu. So what you can do to cycle through the fonts
Sound selection.
Master Qui-Gon.
is hold down the second button, and then you are in the menu. And then when you want to advance, you just press the auxiliary button again.
You underestimate my power. Anakin Skywalker.
So you can keep cycling through. I think there's maybe like 15 fonts on here.
What is it? Father's lightsaber.
When you find one
The weapon of a Jedi.
that you want to use, just hold down that second
Red
button.
5, I'm going in.
And then you can activate the lightsaber with your activation button. Thank you, Chuck. I hope you and your daughter have a good time with this lightsaber. I hope it really works out for her. I hope the blade is exactly what she wanted. I know it's super bright. So thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, push that thumbs up button and come back for more lightsabers. I'll talk to you guys in the next video.